I look like a school-going child. Hi, this is RGV and watching RGV Love, where I am the crazy Indian mother. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, click that subscribe button. I have recently done a video on baby toys for babies aged 0 to 6 months old, and the link is down below in the description box and somewhere around in the screen as well. But this video is about baby toys for babies aged 6 to 12 months old. 6 to 12 months old babies start getting a lot more active. They start they start rolling, they start crawling, they start walking. It's an exciting period, and during this time you need to provide them with as much as you can to help them grow and develop. And the number one thing that I recommend is to kind of just have a toy around which the baby likes, which the baby likes to like kind of try and grab. So maybe maybe you've noticed up until this time, maybe the baby doesn't really have a favorite toy, but there are certain toys that maybe would make the baby move, or he or she would like to look at it. Just those toys would help a lot in their development. So what I used to do is, Arivir used to love this. I think it was a cat and a ball that he used to really like, and I would lay him down on the floor on a mat, and I would keep the, let's just say, ball. I would keep the ball at a distance from him that he would be forced to move, but it's not so far away from him that he will be like, I can't reach it, why should I even bother? So it would be like just within, like touching his fingertips, but not reachable. So the number one tip or the number one toy that I can tell you is to already look through the toys that you have and see that if your child has like a favorite, in a way, a favorite toy that they would like to hold on to. Number two are board books. Board books become so super duper important, especially the kinds that are like peekaboo. Babies this age love peekaboo books, and I would highly recommend that you get at least 2 or 3 of them. Peekaboo books are great, board books are great, because then they can't tear it. Number 3 are rattle toys. Around this age, again, babies can kind of rattle the rattle on their own, or you can just rattle it, and babies like to hear the sound of it and they become a quick favorite. Number 4 is a piano. Now I don't mean that big huge ass piano, no, I just mean those tiny pianos that you get for babies, or basically a musical instrument or a musical toy that the child can just pat and like kind of create sounds on its own. And number 5 is household items. Let your child explore the world around them. Give them a balloon, let them feel the texture. Give them keys, let them feel the texture. Give them things, of course, that are clean, because they'll eventually obviously put them in their mouth, but just give them things that are around them and surround them. Give them cushions that you use regularly. Give them katoris and thalis and spoons. Let them see what the world is made up of. Let them explore and just let them be. Lay them on the mat, let them kind of play on their own and explore this world on their own. Anyways, that's it. Those were my top 5 recommendations for baby toys, baby aged 6 to 12 months old. And the next video that's coming up is for babies aged 12 to 18 months old. And if you would like to watch that, and if you'd like to watch my other videos as well, then make sure to give this a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!